Touchscreen Replacement Guide for the A2L. Safety warning. Before beginning, it is crucial to power off the printer and disconnect it from the power source. In this guide, we will walk you through how to remove and replace the touchscreen display on your Bambu Lab printer. Remove the touchscreen display. Step 1. Flip the printer. Lower the Z-axis to a position of around 5 to 8 centimeters above the heated bed. Then flip the printer to expose the bottom cover. Using an H2.0 Allen key, unscrew the 10 screws as shown on screen. Step 2. Remove the front bottom cover, then remove the Y-axis tensioner cover, followed by the front bottom cover. Step 3. Remove the touchscreen display. Lift the black locking tab on the FPC connector cable, then disconnect the cable. Rotate the screen to approximately a 45-degree angle. Align the protrusion on the screen pivot with the notch in the hole, then firmly pull the screen out. Install the touchscreen display. Step 1. Install the touchscreen display. Insert the screen at a 45-degree angle into the mounting hole. Gently rotate it left and right to align with the notch. Then push it into place. Connect the touchscreen connector cable, ensuring the correct orientation. Step 2. Install the front bottom cover. Refit the front bottom cover. Press around the edges to ensure proper installation. Reinstall the Y-axis tensioner cover. Then secure it with 10 screws using an H2.0 Allen key. Step 3. Flip the printer. Place the printer back in its upright position. And there you have it. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.